Welcome back. Now from the course preview, we will return to the course dashboard. And if you go to the very top and you pull the drop-down menu, you're going to notice that you can make more customizations. To start the customization, we will click on Customize. You will first need to determine what level of privacy you want for the course. And you can make it so that the course will be visible, but only those that have paid or that have been invited will be part of the course. Or you can make it so that the course will be hidden altogether from everyone who is not part of the actual course. Once you've made a choice about access, you can then click Save. Now, in addition to access, you're going to notice that you can also customize the image. So what we're going to do for the sake of this video is we're going to remove the image, we're going to save this element, and we're going to go right back to the upload area. Once we have the image, we can then click Save. We can then save the image to our course. You'll then notice across the top that you can make changes to the lock screen. And what you'll notice are three customizable areas: the banner, the description, and the heading. Now you'll notice that the banner does have a call to action and a button. You can design all of these elements here in this area. You can design the description, and you'll be able to make changes here in this area. You can make changes to the call to action. And you'll see here that there is a button label. You can determine where the button link will go when the customer clicks the button. Once you've completed making changes to the lock screen, you can then save those changes. You'll be able to track the number of members that are part of your course. You'll also have options available for SEO for the course if you want it to be visible to the search engines. In order to provide access to the course, you're going to go to your course menu. You're going to click this link that says Invite Member. And again, you can add individuals by CSV, or you can add everyone that will be part of the space group. What you can also do is to go back. You can then click this area that says Invite Member. We can then create an invitation link. Now for this link, we're going to choose a specific space, and we're going to make this invitation link our course. We're not going to change the space group because we want the invitation link to just be based on our course. And we can make a specific space the default space. Once we have created our invitation link, we can click Create. What we now have is a link that we can deliver to individuals in order to attend our course. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.